Hi there, students. A squiggle, a countable noun. Squiggly, the adjective. So notice, ends in ly, but it's an adjective, so adverb in a squiggly way. And then I guess you could also use squiggle as a verb, to squiggle. Okay, let's see. A squiggle is a line that curves and twists in an irregular way. Yeah, so that's not a signature, that's just a squiggle. It's a squiggly line. Okay, so a squiggle, a line that loops and curves and goes up and down in various different ways. Okay, so yeah, doctors' signatures are squiggles. Yeah, they move backwards and forwards. Yeah, but you can't actually understand what they said, what it says. Okay, so it's a line that bends and curves. Let's see, to squiggle as a verb. Okay, well, he squiggled on the paper. So the baby was squiggling on the paper, was writing squiggly lines. But you can also use the verb to squiggle, meaning to squirm. So I picked up the cat, but it squiggled out of my grasp. It wriggled. Yeah, to squiggle and to wriggle, I think they're synonyms. To squirm this way and that. Yeah. Okay, so to squiggle, to writhe or move backwards and forwards in order to get out of something. Yeah, to squirm and move backwards and forwards. Okay, so yeah, the snake squiggled and squirmed until it got out. Okay, so a squiggle, a wavy line, a curlicue. Yeah, or a squiggle, something that somebody's written that's just totally illegible. I can't read these squiggles. Yeah, they look like just lines and shapes, but they don't look like letters at all. It's just too squiggly. Yeah, I started squiggling on the paper. Yeah, but just so that nobody else could read it. And then again, to squiggle, to squirm backwards and forwards. Yeah, to try to get away, moving round and round and backwards and forwards. Okay, so a squiggle. Yeah, a bendy, curvy, curly line. Yeah, that goes backwards and forwards. Or yeah, this is just a squiggle. I can't read it. It's something that somebody's written that's illegible, an illegible scrawl. To squiggle, to make squiggles, yeah, or to squiggle, to squirm and move backwards and forwards in order to try to get out of something, yeah, to twist about in a snake-like motion, to rise, yeah, to squirm backwards and forwards, to fidget backwards and forwards until you get out of something. Okay, so let's see, formality. A squiggle. I guess I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use anywhere except for something very formal. To squiggle, to squirm backwards and forwards, I think maybe 4 in formality. Don't use it very formally again. And then as to origin, it's probably a mixture of the word to squirm and to wriggle, yeah, to squiggle, yeah, and I can understand why, because both of these words, squirm, wiggle, squiggle, has got the idea of writhing backwards and forwards in order to maybe to get out of something or to move. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Squiggle, squiggly.